Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add border to cells in Google Spreadsheet. Open your Google Spreadsheet. Now click on this cell. You want to add border. I will add this cell border. Now click on this border option and select here all border option. Now click on this border color. I will choose this border color and border and see this. This cell border color already added. And click here. I select these two cells. I select cell border, all border, and border color is green. And see this. Also, you can see cell border, double underline border, and this is dash border. This one dotted border. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.